In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool that many traders use to analyze and monitor financial markets. Setting up alerts can help you stay informed about market movements without having to watch the charts all day long. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. If you're not familiar with TradingView, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Simply open your browser and type in TradingView's web address or search for it via your favorite search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in if you haven't done so already. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is fairly straightforward and free, though they do offer premium features at a cost. So you're logged in and ready to go. The next step is to access your charts where you can start setting up alerts. Look at the top of the interface for the chart option. Select it and you'll be brought to a screen displaying various graphs and data related to whichever market you're interested in. Now, once you're in the charting area, locate the Alerts tab. It's typically found on the right hand side of the toolbar at the top of the page, represented by an icon resembling an alarm clock. Clicking on this will allow you to manage and create new alerts. Now let's move on to creating an alert. In the alerts menu, you should see an option that says create alert. It's a clear button that stands out on the screen. Just click on that and a new window will pop up providing a range of options. This is where you customize your alerts based on the market conditions you want to track. You'll need to select the specific condition and trigger for your alert. For example, you might want to be notified when a stock price crosses a certain threshold, or perhaps when it moves in a certain direction at a specified rate. Take your time to explore the different options available until you find the one that best suits your needs. Also, consider the time frame you are interested in, whether it's near real time or across a longer period, as this will determine how timely the alerts will be. Once you've made your choice, simply hit the Create button to finalize the setup. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created an alert on TradingView. Now your alerts are set up and you'll receive notifications as they occur based on the parameters you define. This is invaluable for keeping track of market changes while you're occupied with other tasks. So go ahead and explore this feature to optimize your trading strategy. Thanks for joining me today and happy trading.